Hey there friends, I am back with another SketchUp for Schools and My.Sketchup lesson for you. Believe it or not, all the time that I've been using these, I did not quite get the difference between them both. So I just wanted to create a file called a castle. I want to make sure that my model is a simple template in millimeters because that's what I print with. So once I launch it, I'm going to save it as castle. And then I decided I wanted to delete the first one, so you can see there's already a castle there. And I went to my Google Drive to delete it, and guess what? My.Sketchup does not use your Google Drive. You have to be using SketchUp for Schools to save to your Google Drive. And I had never made that distinction before. So that is the biggest difference I can find between SketchUp and SketchUp for Schools. SketchUp for Schools saves to the Google Drive. My.Sketchup saves to the Trimble cloud. Just a heads up in case you're building stuff, keep your eyes peeled. Soon you'll have a video about how to make a castle. If you get a chance, please hit that like button. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please click that groovy little subscribe button. And last but not least, if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie, click that notification bell. Have a great day and keep sketching.